What if I told you you could make your first $1,000 in the next 7 days without any skills, without experience, and without waiting months? Sounds fake, right? That's exactly what most people think, and that's why they never even try. But here's the truth. Making your first $1,000 isn't about being talented. It's not about having a degree. It's about one simple thing: taking action faster than everyone else. Right now, there are people making money online with the most basic things, not because they're smarter than you, but because they started. While you're watching videos, learning, planning, overthinking, they're already earning. And the crazy part? Most of them started with zero skills. Here's how it actually works. Instead of trying to learn everything, you focus on something simple that already works. You don't build from scratch. You don't reinvent the wheel. You just find demand and fill it. Because money doesn't come from ideas. It comes from solving problems. Let's say someone needs a service. They don't care if you're an expert. They care about one thing. Can you get the job done? And today, with tools, AI, and the internet, you can figure things out fast, faster than ever before. So instead of saying, "I don't have skills," ask yourself this: what can I learn in 1 hour and sell today? Because that's the game now. Speed, not perfection. And here's where most people mess up. They wait. They think, "I'll start next week. I need to learn more. I'm not ready." But the truth, you'll never feel ready. And the longer you wait, the harder it gets. The people who make their first $1,000 fast don't wait for confidence. They take action first, and confidence comes later. They try, fail, adjust, repeat, and within days, they figure it out. Now imagine this. 7 days from now, you check your phone and see money you made yourself. No boss, no job, no permission, just you. That moment changes everything, because once you make your first $1,000, you realize it's actually possible. And once your mind sees that, you can't go back. You stop doubting, you stop overthinking, you start moving differently. So here's the real challenge. For the next 7 days, stop waiting, stop overthinking, stop doubting yourself. Pick something simple, take action, and stay consistent. Because your first $1,000 is not about money. It's proof that you don't need permission to win.